Shirtinator is an online platform offering a simple way to start a dropshipping business by selling customized products like t-shirts, hoodies, and other apparel. The process is straightforward. Create custom designs using their online tool, add your products, and start selling without worrying about inventory. Shirtinator handles production, packaging, and shipping directly to customers, making it perfect for entrepreneurs looking to sell without upfront costs. The site offers a variety of products, including clothing, mugs, and bags, all available for personalization with text or images. One of the key features of Shirtinator is its user-friendly design tool, which allows you to easily upload your designs or choose from a wide range of templates. This makes it accessible even for beginners in the custom apparel industry. The platform supports various printing techniques, such as screen printing and embroidery, ensuring high-quality results for your products. Shirtinator also provides global shipping options, so your business can cater to customers worldwide. The order processing system is efficient, allowing for quick production and delivery. However, the product selection may not be as extensive as some larger competitors, and pricing may vary depending on your customization choices. Struggling to source reliable suppliers for your growing business? With Alibaba.com, you gain access to millions of verified manufacturers offering competitive pricing and global shipping solutions. Worry about quality? Our trade assurance protects your orders, ensuring secure transactions and on-time delivery every time. Registration link, bonus for new users, and many other useful links in the description. Shirtinator's customer support is responsive and available through email or live chat. They provide detailed FAQs and a support center to assist with any technical or business-related questions. While it's a great option for starting a custom product business, those seeking a larger variety of products may need to explore other platforms. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more insights on dropshipping platforms like Shirtinator.